So doesn't mean that you sit down 12 hours, 18 hours on the computer, you can make more. So we want to make sure that it's a high probability setup. Then we start to take action. So try to like our Facebook page, because on and off, I will give some tips. Then you all can have the seminar. Not to bluff you, I show you this thing. One guy follow our Facebook, make money. So you see, I put the date cannot change one, so it's a real one. I show you. Over here, shorted down zone 27,000 at 2 days ago. So in Chinese say, 别人笑我太疯癫，我笑他人看不穿. So what does that mean? That means many people thought I'm insane, but I just think that people doesn't understand. So if you now I got no time to bring the chart to you, but you can refer to here. When you check the Dow Jones level, right, you will know Dow Jones that time 27,000. The market very bullish about Dow Jones. So why I know this thing? Because Dow Jones consists of 30 stocks, 30 stocks. So I know how to analyze the fair value of the Dow Jones index. So I short sell this Dow Jones. So many people tell me to be very careful. They want me I will lose a lot of money. But end up got one guy follow me, make $1,000 over, short sell the Dow Jones. So over here, took profit for Dow Jones, nearly 2,000 points. So I got screenshot the chart at the date. So I change again. 我笑他人看不穿，别人笑我太疯癫. It means I see people don't understand me. They thought I'm crazy. So almost the same meaning. So sometimes I have this, I have a lot of strategy, not that I always go against the trend. So I have trend following strategy, and also I have trend reversal strategy. Okay, now back to the slide. Let me, now can see the slide? Yeah, PowerPoint can see. Okay. Then now back to, okay, wow, this one take so long already. So market discount all trend. What did I do? So let's say that time coronavirus came, right? Then after that, the market still very bullish. So what you can do is that if you see that there's inefficiency, because market discount all news, they assume market is efficient. So let's say you short sell the Dow Jones because the virus came. Then after that, right, when the market start to crash, right, then the news factor in. So not every time the market will discount all news. So he's also 50% correct. Then after that, the market also has three trends. So according to charts now, the market has three trends. Minor trend is the shorter time frame. Then secondary trend, right, will be the mid-term time frame. And the primary trend will be like the big picture. So he tell people to follow the trend. Don't be disturbed by the market noise. So in fact, I will share with you how to use some volatility index like the ATR to manage to follow the trend. So how I use the Facebook, you saw the Facebook one, right? Why 2,000 points? Because I follow the trend. Because now this one is daily, but we were following the downtrend. So don't be afraid by the market noise. So just keep following the trend and keep taking profit. And the third one is the market has three phases: accumulation, markup, and distribution phase. So what happened is right now, you see the market has crashed. So this one is called accumulation phase. So sometimes these three phases very hard to detect, but we can use trading psychology to detect this thing. So what happened is we understand how people feel, what is the market sentiment. So at accumulation phase, right, normally the market is fearful. So there's a saying, be fearful when others are greedy. So be greedy when others are fearful. So some people never do the trading, thought I'm the one who said that. Then some people do value investing one, thought that is Warren Buffett that say that, but actually it's not. The first person in the olden day to say that is our rich dad, Muni Hisha's home. So he's the first one to tell people, be greedy, when others are fearful. So then after that, I will come back the markup phase. So market will start to recover. Then after that will be the distribution phase. So there's a saying, the savvy investor accumulate over here, and after that they will distribute over here. So I explain to you how the people manipulate the stock. So let's say if you are a CEO of a company, so let's say business not so good, very jialat, right? So you accumulate first. So you buy the share over here. You cannot buy very fast because you buy very fast, the market will suddenly shoot up, then you cannot get a good price. So you accumulate, buy slowly, maybe use many different accounts, other people account, not related to you, but people you can trust. Then accumulate over here. Then after that, you start to release news. Maybe say about got this company want to buy over your company. So after that, you start to buy. Then after that, broker, dealer can release the news for you. Then after that, shoot up. So TA people, oh no, this one is a breakout. Then they will start to buy, follow. Then you make money, then continue release good news. So let's say you tell people, let's say my share now is 30 cents, very jialat already, want to bankrupt already. Then I tell people, say, okay, release the news. This share will go to $14. So, but what happened is I will release at $11 already because over here people expecting $14 take out. So $11, I start to let go slowly. Then after that, they say 纸包不住火 because the M&A is not true. So somehow the market will crash. So this is how people manipulate the stock market. But cannot do that in real life. I'm just sharing with you the theory. So even if today you're multi-millionaire, you don't do that because got many people go jail for doing that. Because you cannot manipulate your own company stock because you have the insider information. So, but you have to understand because sometimes in the market, people will start to scam you. So another good example, I'm going to give you, I show you one more thing. So this one is the trading account. So one of the account we use is this Ava Trade. So I think all the broker have a desktop version. So one more demonstration will be this Bitcoin. So one Bitcoin is a good demonstration of the Dow theory. So let's say we go to this weekly chart. Weekly chart, let's say I push over here. So you can see, you look at this pattern. So from the top, this one very much like the high, right? So that time, when Bitcoin was very close to 20,000, the market very excited. I have a lot of friends never invest before. Also ask me, hey, Bitcoin can buy or not? Want to buy Bitcoin? They got in at this point because a lot of positive news. Because people make a lot of money from Bitcoin. So my real brother friend also have one working in the bank. From take 20, 30,000, buy the Bitcoin and forget. Then after that become 300 over 1,000, 400,000. Wow, suddenly realize, then sell everything. Then because he also fed up with the job already, then he quit the job. Now go Thailand, open coffee shop already. Then it's a true story, very inspiring. So that time very high. I also thought that I want to, but maybe I want to buy the Bitcoin because the news say 100,000. But that time I just control because I know market like overheated. Okay? But because some of my friends only do business, then the only strategy for money management is to put money in the bank for the deposit, make 0.1, 0.2%. Some a bit sophisticated, they will buy the bond or put the fixed D. But after that, never buy share, also scared to buy share. Then suddenly want to buy Bitcoin, then I know very overheated already. Then over here, market start to crash. So this one will look like the accumulation phase. Because right over here, after crash, a lot of negative news because market is very fearful at this stage. So very fearful. But there's news say the Bitcoin fair value is at 3,400. So that time 3,800 I got buy. But to be honest, I sold at 4,002 because I don't believe in the fair value of Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not backed by any government. No? Because not like let's say today I buy pound dollar or Sing dollar versus USD. So it depends on the economic factor. So it's very hard when we buy currency, the whole thing can go burst if we don't use the leverage. But if today we buy stock, let's say I start to buy Facebook or anything, right? I'm not sure 100 years later will Facebook still be the nominal leader in the social media. So right over here is the accumulation phase. Then after that here will become like a distribution phase. But it's very hard to say. So right now I don't know. Honestly, I don't know whether Bitcoin want to go up or go down. So when I feel very confident one, then I will post here. You can check through our trade. So we have a high win rate, also got losing rate. Because I always explain to people, trading is always about probability, not certainty. So we think of the potential loss first before any potential gain. So if over here I never put any stop loss, that means we do value investing. So don't suddenly sell your house, sell your car, follow my Facebook. No, I'm not liable for your loss. No, don't scare me. No. So if suddenly, but yesterday that time if you follow, now I think you're quite rich already because down until 25,000 already. No. Okay, so what's next? After that, right? So I believe I have explained about these three phrases. Today, I actually this thing can talk for a few hours one, but I don't have enough time. If you want to know more, you can just later I will recommend you one of my website. You can go read up, learn for free also. So I send you my website later. So if not, you can just email me. I will tell you more because today my seminar will be 2 hours, so we will end exactly at 10 o'clock. Okay, what happened is after that, right, there's 11 economic indicators that can affect index and currency. So I will only tell you the main point. Then the rest I will give you for free. I'll give you my there's one website, the top forex broker. The website doesn't belong to me. A lot of people thought I own the website, but I provide the material. They help me sell my course, so I provide the material. So fair, right? So just remember 4 things: GDP, non-farm payroll, interest rate, and unemployment rate. So these 4 things affects the currency or the index the most. The rest will affect, but not so much. Not so much. Later I will show you. Okay, so there's 11. This one I will show you the website. Okay, now I give you an overview of how the trading market developed. So back in the olden days, so this picture I extract from the CIMEX. So last time the trading floor is called CIMEX. Now it's called SGX. So last time when you want to be a trader, you have to gather at the exchange. So last time the traders mainly are all guys, no? Because you need to be tall and then big size. And more importantly, your voice has to be very loud because you need to shout the price from one end to the other end. So you need to be, this one quite tall, okay. So this one is not the exchange. This one I take out from my favorite Hong Kong movie called 大时代. So when I was young, I watched this, very inspired. I saw the Liu Qingyun made a lot of money. But after that, when I grew up, I realized cannot because he take excessive risk. So end up, if you go watch this movie, take excessive risk, end up in disasters. So he end up thought he was trading, but actually he was gambling. So later I will let you know what is the difference between investing, trading and also going to gamble.